Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to make an unboxing video or unbagging video. Since I have all these yarns in the bag, I received all these yarns present on Christmas, and I hope all your Christmas went happy and fine and healthy, the most important thing. So I got this yarn as a present. This is a LasT crafty. This is 200 gram equal to 512 meter. That's a lot, no? I love the color of this one, the combination of the color. What do you think we could make with this yarn? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear or to know what's your ideas, what we could make for this color. Shawl for sure is perfect for it. This is made in China. I used the same kind of yarn with my other shawl in a video. I will put the link in the description box below. I used the same yarn. I remember it was really nice. It's warm, feel cozy. I love that yarn. I love this yarn, and this color is perfect. So I got another piece of this, so I have two of this. This is cool. We could make a bigger things of this. This is 200 gram equal to 512 meter. So we could use 5mm hook for this one, for this yarn. And you can only wash this for 30 degrees. This is 100% polyacrylic. Cool. So this is in German, so I don't know what all these things mean here. This is just a present, so it's so cool and it's so nice. Definitely nice to touch, soft and warming. It's cool. So I got a few of this also, so we have that. And then we have another of this. Oh, what is this color? Look at this. It's the sunflower color. It's so beautiful. I think this is the same kind of yarn also. So this is from LasT Crafty and also 5mm hex. Oh, we have one color of this only. Oh, this is so beautiful. My gosh, this color is stunning. Just catches my eye. So we have the second one, the next one, sorry. Nice. This is like rose color. So beautiful. Started to dark and then lighter and lighter and lighter, as well as for this one also. Dark to light. Everything comes from dark to light, and as well as this one. So beautiful. It's the same kind of yarn, 200 gram, and that is 512 meter. I don't know what is all these things here. It's all the prices, maybe what kind of yarn. Same kind of yarn, 5mm heck. Made in China. That's so beautiful. So I got two of those. So nice. It's so beautiful, this kind of color. I really like it. Look at this, just rose. I cannot stop watching them, especially the orange one. So this is also the same kind of yarn, 5mm heck. Both of this and 200 gram, that is equal to 512 meter from LasT Crafty. So beautiful. I could play with them all day long. So I found another one. So I have two. I really love it. Let me know what kind of project we could make with this color. Suits to this color. Aside from sunflower, this is also sunflower, already sunflower. But sunflower would be really, really nice as a shawl. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comment section below. It's so perfect. I think I will try that project. So I have two of these and two of this color. Two of this color, two of this color, and two of this color. Isn't it perfect? I think we will have a busy week, as I cannot wait to work with them. And look what this is. I love it. It's for winter, guys. It's so nice. It's so warm. It's perfect for winter. It's wool, I would say. Let's see that. This is 50 gram equal to 80 meter. It's so long. You could use 9 to 10mm head for this project. This is super bulky. You need six super bulky yarn. You will need 50 gram for one hat. And this is 50 gram. So this is snowflakes from Meyer. One bowl for one hat. If you want to get the same yarn, this is from this company here. This is from Meyer. So this is 36% wool, 36% polyacrylic, 20% polyamide, and 8% polyester. So much. It's so nice and warm. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of this. It's so cool. 80 meter for 50 gram. That's a lot. Super bulky yarn. What do you think we could make for this yarn? A blanket would be perfect, or even a jacket, right? We should make a jacket for this one. Cardigan. But we will see what we could make this in the future. You'll never know. We always change our mind. It's nice. Made in Italy. This is color 0080, lot 3549. So let's put that away and let's move on to the next one. Oh, what is this here? A little fluffy. Look. Do you ever have this kind of yarn? Fluffy kind. What is perfect for this kind of yarn? Ah, here, a blanket. Perfect for babies. Cool. Nice example. 40 to 60. Oh, 4 to 6 millimeter hook. 30 degree for washing. This is 200 gram, which is equal to 400 meter. 100% recycled. What is this? Recycled material. 100% pit recycled. Recycled yarn. This is from this company here. I only have one of these. Nice. Perfect color. One of my favorite. White. Let's move on to the next one. So we have here. Oh, this is from my bushi. I have ordered from my bushi. That's cool. 50 gram to 55 meter. 70% polyacrylic, 30% wool, and this is 120 gram for mutsi and 30 degree for washing, and this is 6 to 7 millimeter hook. If you want color, this is rose 142 and party is K11 or K1163. They have also Facebook if you want to have the same yarn here. This is really nice. Rose, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I have used the same kind of yarn what I did in the cowl. I will put the link in the description box below so you could check that. It was a really nice and really warm kind of yarn. It's perfect for winter also. This is really warming. It's thick. We could use a 6 to 7 millimeter hook. We have 4 of this. Nice. We have 4 of this yarn. So this is only from... So it's cool, guys. So I have ordered it my bushi in Amazon. It was really fast and just smooth delivery. I like that when I ordered this one. I did not know I would get it also as a present. It was so cool. This is really nice color for girl. So thank you guys for tuning in. See you next time in my next unboxing video. See you. Bye.